So good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today we are here to start the chapter Basic Geometrical Ideas, where we are doing exercise 4.6. Remember students, 4.6 exercise is related to the concept circle, and you are very familiar with the figure circle. I think you must be knowing the figure of the coin, you must be knowing the figure of the chapati, you know the figure of puri, which your mother is making very tasty puris. Okay, you must be knowing the shape of chapati, you must be knowing the shape of kachori, you must be knowing the shape of center table, which is in the same of circular. So many of the students like the shape of circle, and this is the favorite shape of the students and as well as the teacher as well, I can tell you. Okay, remember we are going to study deeply about the circle in this exercise. So I would request you all, सबसे पहले बात करते हैं कि सर्कल का शेप हम बनाते कैसे हैं. प्लीज कीप इन योर माइंड, सर्कल शेप कैन बी ड्रॉन इन टू वेज. First one, freehand. Second one, using compass. Okay. First one, freehand. Second one, using compass. When you talk about freehand, freehand means you can take any circular object at your home. For example, the cap of the bottle, the bangle, the coin, or maybe any circular object, and you can draw simply by using that particular object a circle on it. बट रिमेंबर, जब हम फ्री हैंड बनाते हैं बेटा, तो हमें सर्कल के सेंटर का पता नहीं चल पाता है प्रॉपरली. ठीक है, सो दैट इज व्हाई फ्री हैंड हम बना तो सकते हैं, बट इट विल नॉट बी इजी टू डिनोट सो मेनी थिंग्स इनटू इट. And now the second way of drawing the circle. Remember, the second way of drawing a circle is using compass. So if you have compass right now, please take out your compass and please put pencil on into it and show. Just take your compass right now on your hand. I have taken my own compass. This is my compass right now. So I will be using this and you will be using your own compass. Okay, with the help of this we will be drawing one circle and we will be discussing part of circles right now. So what we are doing, सबसे पहले बेटा, take a scale. All of you please take a scale, and after taking a scale, please mark 5 centimeter onto it. A line segment of 5 centimeter. All of you please draw a line of 5 centimeter from the help of scale. These are the 2 points because we are making line segment. This is of 5 centimeter. I have drawn this. Please, you also draw this. After drawing this line segment, please take this one as a center. Now I am taking this one. I am giving the name as O. इसको मैंने name दिया O. And another one I am giving the name as A. आप कोई और नाम भी दे सकते हैं. It's on you how you want to give the name. I have given the name one side as O, another point as A. So I have given the name. Now I will take my compass on my hand and I will take the needle. जो इसकी compass की needle है बेटा, वो I will put on O. I will put on O. And जो another compass का pencil part है, that I will put on A. Now look at here how we will put this. One will be on O, another will be on A. One will be on O, another will be on A. And after this, I will be starting drawing the circle right now. You also draw along with me. My circle is ready. Now students, as you have drawn how to draw a circle, you have understood also how to draw a circle. Now let me tell you all the things very properly. एक एक करके हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं कि इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स क्या होते हैं सर्कल के। सबसे पहले कीप इन योर माइंड दैट सर्कल सेंटर, CENTRE, center, somewhere, keep in your mind, center is the most important part of a circle. Remember, center is the most important part of a circle. Now let me tell you why it is most important part of a circle, because without center, अभी आपको पता है हमने just अभी center draw किया था, and center के बाद ही we were able to draw everything like a circle. We have drawn it with the help of center only. So remember, without center, circle cannot be drawn. And remember, center is a very, very important part of a circle. सबसे main thing. Okay. Now this boundary, this is called boundary of a circle. ये पूरी जो दिख रही है ना बेटा, this is called boundary, boundary of a circle. Remember, this boundary of a circle we can call another name, that is called CIR, CUM, circum, FERENCE, circumference. Don't write the wrong spelling, please. Write it down the correct spelling. This is called circumference. CIR, CUM. I am telling you again how to form the spelling. Sir, because circle से sir आया, CIR, then CUM, circum, FERENCE, RENCE. This is called circumference. Circumference means you are talking about the boundary of a circle. Okay, you are talking about the boundary of a circle. Remember always. ठीक है? So please mention this. Boundary of a circle is known as circumference. Okay, I'm writing here in the bracket boundary of circle. ठीक है, in a short form I have written that boundary of a circle is known as here the circumference. Now let's move about the another thing. Always remember, center से circumference पे अगर आप कोई भी point लेते हो, for example I took a point A, I have taken a point B, I have taken a point C, I have taken a point D, I have taken a point E, I have taken a point F, or I have taken a point G. Circumference पे जब आप कोई भी point लेते हैं बेटा, and when you join that point from the center, that line segment will be known as radius. RADIUS. We call it radius. It means हमारे पास radius क्या है बेटा? We will have radius as RADIUS. Radius means you have right now, I have drawn OA. ठीक है, we have drawn OA right now. Another one is OB. Another one is OB. Third one is OC. This is also radius only. Fourth one is OD. This is OD right now. Then we have OE. So we have done it OE also. And then we have done it OF. These are all radius of a circle. Always remember, these are all radius of a circle only. Okay? And remember, किसी भी सर्कल में बेटा कितनी भी रेडियस आप ले लीजिए, all are of same length. सभी की लेंथ सेम होती है. Yes, I forgot to match it OG also. Yes, OG is also a radius only. So we have got how many radius? OA, OB, OG, OC, OD, OE, OF. These are all radius of a circle right now, which we have drawn it. And remember, all the radius are always of same length. Okay? सबकी सब सेम होती है. अगर एक 3 सेंटीमीटर की है बेटा तो सारी की सारी 3 सेंटीमीटर की ही होंगी. और अगर एक 5 की है तो all will become 5. अगर एक 7 की है तो all will become 7. ठीक है. So now what we have discussed in this circle, we have discussed center, We have discussed circumference. Circumference means boundary of a circle. Then we have discussed radius. Radius means when you have any point on the circumference and when you join that point from center of the circle, you will be getting the radius. And remember, circle has infinite radius. You can draw how many radius you want to draw, you can draw like that. Okay. A circle has infinite radius. Many number of radius circle has. And remember, circle has all the radius of same length. सारी की सारी radius same length की होती है बेटा. Okay. Now students, I would suggest you to now start working on second circle, because this circle is full, I think, in your copy also. So do one thing, now work on second circle. ठीक है, because इसमें हम लोगों ने बहुत सारी चीजें पढ़ ली हैं. So I'm going to rub this. I'm going to rub this also, because now we are working on second circle. So please have your second circle. Okay. Now I am going to tell you another part. This was the center, you must be knowing. Now beta, I have told you the radius. Now always remember, if you have 2 points on your circumference, please look at here first and then you note it down. Suppose अभी आपको मैंने बताया था, जब आप circumference के किसी एक point को जब आप join करते हो center से, you get radius. ठीक है, you get a radius. Now remember, when you have 2 points on the circumference and when you join them, and look at here, if you join them, those line segments are known as chord. C-H-O-R-D, chord. Okay. Once again telling you, when you have 2 points on circumference and you join them, you get a line segment that is known as chord. Okay. These all are chords only beta. ये सारी chords है जो हम draw कर रहे हैं. All are chord only. These are all chords. ठीक है. When you have 2 points on the circumference and you join them, you get chord. Okay. C-H-O-R-D, chord. Now I am giving the name AB. So AB is a chord. C-H-O-R-D, chord. Now C-D. CD is also a chord. Now E-F-G-H. E-F-G-H. These all are chords only. All are chords. C-H-O-R-D, chord. Chord means when you have 2 points on the circumference and when you join them, the line segment is known as chord. Now remember, इनमें से ऐसी कौन सी chord है बेटा जो सेंटर से होके जा रही है? Can you please tell me? ऐसी कौन सी chord है इसमें जो सेंटर से होकर के जा रही है? Can you please name it to me in chat box? Which chord is passing through the center? Wow, wonderful student, absolutely right. Now remember, if a chord is, I am telling you, if a chord is passing through the center, that chord is known as diameter. That chord is known as diameter. D-I-A-M-E-T-E-R. I am going to show you the spelling in a proper way. Remember, अगर आपकी जो chord है, अगर वो center से होकर के जाती है, तो that will be known as diameter. ठीक है? All are chords बट यहाँ पर आपकी डायमीटर कौन सी कहलाएगी, CD. ठीक है, रिमेंबर, again telling you the definition, if your chord is passing through the center, that chord is known as diameter. Okay, once again telling you both the definition of diameter and chord. सबसे पहले याद रखिए, first one I am telling you the chord. If you take 2 points on the circumference and when you join them, the line segment known as called chord. Once again telling you, when you have two lines, when you have 2 points on the circumference and when you join them, the line segment formed is called chord. CHORD. If your chord is passing through the center, that means that chord will be known as diameter. Okay, फिर हम उस chord को क्या बोलते हैं बेटा, diameter कहते हैं. Remember, diameter होने के लिए सबसे important ये है कि वो center से pass होनी चाहिए. Keep in your mind, if you are talking about a diameter, it should surely pass through the center. It is the must condition. Okay, otherwise it will be called as a normal chord. Otherwise हम उसको केवल chord बोलेंगे, और अगर वो center से pass हो रही है तो we will be calling it as a diameter.